Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to read deleted WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp deleted messages recovery, or recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp chats. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, you can open any conversation. So open it, and in this you can see me and my friends all WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp chats. And in this I can delete some WhatsApp messages or chats, but I can easily recover or restore all deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. So first of all, I can delete some WhatsApp messages or chats. So let's see, and then tap on please, and then delete for everyone, delete for me, cancel. In this time I can choose delete for everyone, and then OK, and then here I can see in this time I can delete me and my friends all WhatsApp messages or chats, and in this time I can easily recover or register or read all deleted WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp chats. So let's see how to do that. Minimize it and go to Google Play Store, and then Google Play Store, open it, and then search recover deleted messages. And then scroll down, recover deleted messages app. Please open this app. Recover deleted messages app, please install this app and then open it. And in this you can see WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, Messenger, Imo, and then left top corner 3 button option, click on it. Monitored apps, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, Messenger, Imo, and then add more apps, click on it. And in this time you can choose and select it you need deleted apps, messages or chats or anything, and then done option, click on it. And then WhatsApp, open it. All WhatsApp deleted messages recover or restore in this here. That's mean I can easily recover or restore my all deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. And then open it, and then you can see me and my friends all deleted WhatsApp messages or chats or conversation recover or restore or read in this here. In this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp messages or chats, WhatsApp deleted messages recovery, or read or restore your all deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.